whenever someone comes to you that is basically starting from scratch, either to start an online business or create a new source of income. So when someone comes to you and says, I need help, walk me through what that process looks like with a client.
So if it's somebody bare bones starting with absolutely nothing, knows nothing about this online business world or online business game, the first thing that we would do is we would have to find some sort of high value skill set. And that could be sales, it could be marketing. We're talking to somebody who's pretty tech savvy and actually lives about an hour from us here in Mexico. They're Canadian. They live about an hour from us. They're pretty tech savvy. That's the first thing we go looking for. Or for example, we have somebody and we'll ask them about their work history sometimes because they may not see the business opportunity, but because we've been in entrepreneurship so long and we know the problems people deal with, we can see the business opportunities. So for example, we had a guy emailing us and he's like, I used to manage teams in manufacturing and all that kind of stuff. And I was like, oh, so you know operations and you know how to get people to do what they're supposed to do. That's extremely valuable. You can teach businesses how to do that because I promise you they're struggling with it. So we have to find some sort of high value skill or high value knowledge. That's the first place we would start. Then we would figure out what the actual offer is and what we're selling. And then from there, we teach them marketing and sales. Those are for like the beginners. Once they're past that stage, now we got to talk about operations, automations, how to get this running more like a machine.
Okay. Well, let's talk about that. Let's talk about how technology makes your business run on autopilot. Or, I mean, we all have our day of work, but tell me how you implement technology into a person's business so that they have more time freedom.
Absolutely. So we're in phase one right now. And what is the most important thing in a business? Marketing and sales. Without marketing and sales, you literally have nothing, which is what I have to tell people all the time. You could spend all day long behind the scenes fixing things, delivering things, but without marketing and sales, you're going to have nothing to fix, nothing to deliver. You're going to have nothing to do without marketing and sales. So the focus needs to be there most of the time. The problem that I would run into myself, and also when I was training sales teams or had sales teams, is that the most important activity, which was sales follow-up, was not getting done. Either because it was overwhelming with the amount of leads we were getting, or somebody would get in their feelings, or whatever. There's like a million and one reasons. The point is, it wasn't getting done. So for me, the first phase was, how do I just automate sales follow-up? And I don't mean just email marketing, because that's what most people will teach. They'll be like, here's how you do a launch off of email. I mean, how do you automate text messages? How do you automate voicemails? How do you automate cold sales email follow-up that goes in their primary inbox instead of their promotions? How do you automate people booking sales calls? How do you automate qualifying them? How do you automate all of these things that any salesperson worth their salt would have to do manually? So that was the first thing. We figured out how to do it. And actually, our free gift is going to be some of those automations, the templates that we use, so that you guys can see some of the ways in which we use these automations. But that would be step number one, right? Is how do we automate the most important activity of any day, which is sales? Without
Right.
that, you have nothing. So we figured that out. We teach our clients how to do it. It's what gets our sales calls from Entrepreneur Expat booked pretty much on autopilot. We've had 3 booked today without us
Nice.
having to really do anything, which is great. From there, the other question, and this is an issue people run into, is how do we streamline as much of the product delivery as possible? So how do we put as much of it as possible on video? For example, we have a rule, which is build your life and business in a way where you don't have to repeat yourself more than once. So
Mhm.
if I see myself teaching the same thing over and over and over again, I'm going to film videos about it. I'm going to put it behind a paywall. And then the next time somebody asks me, boom, there you go. You've got it.
Okay.
So I don't actually A, have to go do it for you, and B, so I don't have to repeat myself. So that's the rule. Once you've got those 2 things set up, then your only job becomes marketing.